Alright guys, we are going to try something a little new for your plant diagrams. Instead of sharing it in a discussion, we're going to try a media album. So before you get to this step, you're going to need to use the camera on your Chromebook and take a picture of your plant diagram. Remember to make sure that you're up close to the camera, that it's not blurry, that we can see your beautiful work. So you'll take a picture, it'll save on your computer, kind of like you do with your writing for the weeks. Then you're going to come in here and you'll hit our plant diagrams. There's nothing in here now, but you'll go over to the side and you'll hit Add Media, Attach Files, find your picture. Let's say this is the picture of my plant diagram. I'll open it and then Add Media. Ba-ba! There it is. And we'll know it's from you because when we hover over it, it'll have your name there. So then we can click on them and go through, and once we have more in here, then we can kind of click through and look at all of your wonderful pictures. So, good luck. I know you guys can do this.